Hey guys, you saw me pick all the raspberries, so I figured I'd show you what we were gonna do with them. We have got them in our pots. We ended up with a big pot and then another little one. I am also doing my eggshells so that I can put them on my tomato plants. I also ended up with 2 pints of dehydrated, and I also still have 3-pint bags of raspberries in the freezer. So actually, here, you know what? Let me turn this around, because I know when I was starting out, I always wondered like how big of a raspberry patch I needed. So I got that many raspberries. Like I said, I got 2 dehydrated pints and then 2 more pints frozen. And this is how big my patch is. I don't know if you can get an idea. It's just this little patch here. So if anybody's wondering how much you got to do, that's about it. I'll bring you back when I'm getting ready to juice them up.